Sekhmet. Let's see if you're gonna slide down. You're gonna slide down? I think she's kind of scared to go down there. I don't know. One day I'm gonna get her to go down though. You gonna go down the side? Let's see. Uh-oh, she's like, I'll do it right now. What? I'll do it right now. You dare me? You double dare me? Stay. Okay, I got her in this. At the top. Alright, let's see. Is she gonna slide down and come for this tree? Let's see it. Alright, I gotta stand. So you staying right there, right? Huh? Huh, Seki? You staying right there? Okay. Now watch, y'all. She about to come down here for it. Watch. Here we go. Seki, come on. Come down. She just ran down like what? Gonna do this. Put this up the tree and see how far she gonna follow it. Set. Come on. Up. Ooh, she was up that tree, boy. Sit. Ready? Come on. Come on. Yeah. Ooh, she went up the tree, boy. Come on. 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 Here. Take it. Take it. Take it in your mouth. Oh, she didn't get that one. Alright. Try up again. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, she got it. Yeah, Sekhmet. Good girl. Alright, I got a stand. I'm gonna have her go up this tree for her Nerf toy. Ready, set. Come get it, Sekhmet. Come get it. Ooh, she sure got it. She took a shortcut. Does this tree look like a man in the tree holding flowers? I'm gonna get closer up on it. Do y'all see the alien even got horns in his head? The alien tree. Look at his face, yo. Y'all thought I was playing about the alien tree. I ain't playing. Look at the eye. He got a patch on his eye. The alien tree. Word. Look at his face. Alien face. I see the lips. How many of y'all see this? Is it just me? Look, he giving flowers. Like, yo, I'm here, what? If this tree come alive and start walking, I wouldn't even be surprised. Yo, this is crazy. Nice tree, look. Alright, y'all, that's what I'm doing. I'm taking y'all on a journey through Southern California. If I see interesting stuff, I'm going to show it to you. Such as my alien friend right here behind me. See the alien? The alien got the flowers in his arms waiting for his honey to show up, for real. This view, for real, it's hot. Come on. I see that. Alright. Seki's taking me to the mountaintop. Seki, taking me to the mountaintop. Alright, Seki, let's do this. We're gonna have a good time. Alright, got the Harley out here. Got the Harley. Come on. Past the basketball court. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, don't wear out now. Got some nice scenery in the background here. Don't wear out now. Don't wear out on me, Seki. Don't you wear out on me. Let's go. Look at that. Beautiful. Pitbull. See, Seki ain't even barking. And that dog is barking like crazy. Over there with the cactus. Yeah, alright, McGruff.